Hey YouTube, you know I'm back at this pond, my favorite pond. My YouTuber right here, I told him to come out. I lost his fish last time. What's your name?
Nico.
Nico, sorry about I lost your fish last time, the net it. But this time I'm gonna catch you one. And oh yeah, here's my other YouTube fan right here. All right, what's your name?
Venom 34.
Venom 34. He's gonna catch a bunch of catfish today with me. So stay tuned.
You told me where to go.
Oh yeah, this is the place. This is the place.
You was there last night, right?
Yeah, I was over there at the chair over there.
That's
but
where I was. You can come and join me if you want.
Oh, that's okay. The fish everywhere.
All right.
Basically. All right. Okay. Nice to meet you. Thanks for subscribing. All right. Back what I was saying, that I'm back at this pond again. Trying to catch some fish on for you guys, some catfish.
Were you here last night?
So anybody want to know where this spot, just give me a comment below. Give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Boom. I need 25 more people. All right. Stay tuned if I catch one. Fish right here. All right. Finally. Fish on. Ooh, big one. Let's see if I can bring him in, okay? I told you when I catch one. Right. There, he's pretty big size. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's show him the fish. Oh, where?
Right there.
But it's around the.
Okay.
Where is it? Oh.
Got it?
Can't. It's around this. Okay, got it. Finally got it.
Can you go this?
Okay. Look at. Show him my video. Show him the fish. See it? Yep, I have one. Fish on, folks. NorCal never fell. Didn't get skunked today. I tried. Let me see how I can bring him in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's see. I'm gonna. There you go. Got him. Right here. Got him. Boom. Got another one. First one of the day. Ouch. Nice little cat. Around what time is it? 9:30? 8 o'clock? 8:45. I finally caught one. Nice little catfish. Boom. See it? All right. Stay tuned. I catch another one. Then put this in the bucket. Average size, huh? This is average size. Let's see if I can get the hook out. Right, caught another one. Dang, the fish is on now. Oh yeah. Fish is on now, look. Got it on a video for me? Yep, got another one. Oh, nice. Whoa, look at this. Show me the light. Whoa, right there, see it? All right, NorCal done it again. All right, follow my channel. You like my channel, follow me. Okay, that's a big one. Ooh, this is bigger than another one. Let me see if I can lift him. Let me see if I can lift him up. Ouch, it bit me. All right. I just got another one. All right. Right here. Got one right here. All right, let's put this back and let's go fish another one, okay? Because it's biting right now, okay? Let me unhook this this thing right now. Oh yeah. Fish on. Caught another one. Oh yeah. Fish. Got another one. See it?
Beautiful.
Beautiful fish, right?
Avishai. Good.
Appetite?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? All right. Ooh,
Get him up.
get him up. Okay. Got him. I told you it was close. It ain't that far. This side.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. All right. Another one.
Show me. Show me your fish.
Okay, I'll show you the fish. But let me see. Is they swallowed it again? Right? Did it swallow it again?
I have no idea.
Where's it? Right here, right here. He's right here. You got it? All right. She finally caught one. Okay. Ooh, right there. See it? Ooh. Oh, got another one. Dang. She got one. Beautiful one. Yep. That's nice. Okay. That's good. Okay. Let's stop. Let me hold the camera. I'll get him up. Hold this too. Now we got two. Now unhooked two in a row.
This is my fish.
Yep, you got this one. Whoa.
They're biting like crazy, right?
Yeah, they're biting like crazy. We should have brought a net, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, got. Ow! Bit me again. It bit me? It bit me? Wait, don't let him go now. Bit me. It bit me? Ow! It bit my thumb, look.
Oh, let me see. Bleeding?
No, he's not bleeding.
Okay.
Bit my thumb. Two in a row. Two.
Okay. Unhook them.
Đang gần đây nè. Wait till you bite really close. We don't have to throw that far, right? Let me see. So night catfish is pretty good. I caught like 4 and since 8 o'clock to 9:30. But it's too dark. I can't see anything. If you like my video, if you want to come out and here catch some catfish, come and join me maybe Sunday or Saturday. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. NorCal Hook out, okay? Peace.